Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word bollocking in depth. First, the definition. Bollocking means a severe scolding or reprimand, often delivered angrily. Think of it simply as getting a serious talking to. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Bollocking likely originated in British English in the mid-20th century as slang for harsh criticism. Over time, it's been used by workers and everyday speakers in informal settings. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use bollocking in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. He got a bollocking from his boss for missing the deadline. Correct example 2. She received a bollocking after forgetting to submit the report. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to bollocking the sandwich, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using bollocking correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Bollocking means a severe scolding or reprimand, often delivered angrily. It comes from mid-20th century British slang, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with bollocking down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.